BioMarin Pharmaceuticals is having a spectacular year with the stock hitting all-time highs. Adam Feuerstein, what do you expect when they gather next week on Tuesday in New York City for an R&D update?
Yeah, hey, Greg. You're absolutely right about BioMarin's stellar performance this year. Investors have fallen in love with companies that develop and sell treatments for rare genetic diseases. BioMarin is a pioneer in the so-called orphan drug business, and its success is being rewarded this year.
So what's happening at BioMarin's meeting on Tuesday?
BioMarin continues to develop new drugs for rare diseases. One of these new drugs is designed to treat Batten disease, and that's a fatal inherited disorder which affects the brain and the nervous system. Symptoms of Batten disease usually develop when a child is like 2 to 5 years old. The disease progresses really quickly, and it's often fatal by the time a patient reaches the teens or early 20s. Now, BioMarin is starting a clinical trial of a new drug to treat Batten disease, with the first patient expected to begin dosing by the end of the third quarter.
And you were telling me earlier that BioMarin is developing a drug for dwarfism?
Yeah, that's right. Now, the medical term for dwarfism is achondroplasia.
It's a tough one to say.
This is a genetic mutation that leads to shortened bones. Again, BioMarin here is developing a drug to treat this form of dwarfism with a mid-stage study that could start late this year or early next year. The company is going to spend some time discussing its plans for this drug on Tuesday at that meeting.
All right, and then finally, BioMarin is also getting into the cancer drug development. Tell me about that.
Yeah, BioMarin is developing a so-called PARP inhibitor as a potential new therapy for breast and ovarian cancer. We saw some promising data from this drug in the spring, and now BioMarin is planning some late-stage studies.
All right, thanks a lot, Adam.
All right, thanks, Greg.